Hey Liz, I just wanted to show you real quick a reminder of how to do that final grade. So you just come into the column you just come into the blank column after you've exported your grades, and you export the final grade, but it looks like this, where it has a two different numbers, a numerator and a denominator. So what you want to do here is just type the equal sign, and then you're setting up a formula where you're taking your numerator, and so you're just clicking on the box and it automatically populates. You click the division sign, and then you click on the denominator box, it automatically populates. You click enter, and there you have your average. I mean, obviously you have to move the decimal 2 places, so that's an 82.95, so an 83. If you want to extend it one further, you can do another formula out here where you can do an equal sign, and then you can take this number, just click on the box, the multiplication, and you multiply it by 100 if you don't like to see the decimals that way. And one thing too that I like to do sometimes, especially when I have to enter grades and they want you to have 2 decimal places but you don't want to have to do the rounding, if you make the column a little bit smaller, it'll round it for you the way it's supposed to be. So then you just drag this formula down and it populates it for all of the students, and then you do the same thing here, and then you have your nice and neat average displayed for you. So hopefully that helps.